Hi, magandang umaga. Kiko Javier, your online marketing coach. Okay, so pagpasensahan niyo po, hindi po ako nakapag-shave. Yeah, this is another benefit of being an online marketer and somebody who works at home. Okay, we can actually be ourselves, no? Which is yun po isang nagustuhan ko, no? We don't have to fake it for us to make it, no? Okay, so medyo pasensya lang po muna, but again, I just wanted to do this video para po doon sa aking ginagawang series. I call it the Exodus. Okay, crossing the bridge from offline to online marketing. Okay, yun po, Exodus 101. Alright, again, ano po ba yung isa sa mga importanteng dapat nating magawa o ma-establish as we cross the bridge, no, from offline to online? I attended a very good live web seminar, no? We call it a webinar last night, care of our very good friend Manny Viloria, who is a professional in this field, the online marketing. So it really struck me, no, yung kanya pong napakagandang lesson, which is really establishing your identity. Okay, so very important lesson in online, for you to be successful in this online marketing is for us to establish our identity. Okay, so I remember being a salesman, being an offline marketer. Isa po yun sa itinuturo sa atin Actually, sa offline po, you need to establish a certain character. You need to establish a certain identity. Kailangan magustuhan ka ng iyong customers, ng prospects, no? So, they will buy your product. They will buy your services. Or, in network marketing, they will join you. Okay, so I remember as a new salesman or as a new network marketer, no? Offline, so our leaders would tell us to invest in how we look. Okay, invest in what we, our yung external, no? So, yun na nga. So, para bang that's one of the investments na kailangan po natin gawin. We need to buy a good shoes. We need to buy the clothes. We need to buy those jewelries, no? We need to buy those things that the impression, ano? Pag nakita po tayo ng ating mga prospects or target customers, no? Sabi na, wow, successful siguro siya. Why? Because naka-Rolex siya. Successful siguro siya kasi, wow, meron siyang kotse. Okay? So, but, again, it's being thought, no? Hindi palaging naka-Rolex watch or naka-magandang damit or posturang-postura, successful na. It's actually, pwede pong gawin yun. And that's what we thought, that's what we teach in offline marketing, no? Ang sabi ko nga, you need to fake it until you make it, no? Malay ba niyang pirated yung Rolex watch mo, nabili mo lang yan for 800 pesos or 1,000 pesos, no? With matching mga bato-bato. Malay ba niya na inutang mo lang lahat yung naka-Bali shoes ka pa, kung todo suit ka, no? Okay, but again, you need to establish that certain identity for people to trust you. Actually, the word there is trust you. Okay, so they will buy your product. So they will join your organization. Why? Because you look like the person na very ideal. Okay, now as we cross the bridge from this offline to online, how do you do it online? So yun po yung isa sa mga naging challenge ko. How can somebody trust me na hindi niya ako nakikita and all that person sees yung mga words na tinatype ko sa email niya or probably nakita niya sa Facebook link ko, nakita niya meron akong sinulat doon sa Facebook ko sa wall. So how can that person trust me and join me and want to affiliate with me? Okay, so then they realize I am someone na hindi nga nakakapag-ahit, na hindi na nakakapagpagupit. Okay? So, there is a very big difference po. No? Okay, so now, the lesson here, what I would like to talk to you about, is establishing your identity online. Yun po ang pinakamahalaga ngayon. And it will probably take time, no? Hindi po yan mabilis. Okay, so, dun po pumasok yung itinuro sa amin ni Manny Viloria last night, which is about blogging, no? I've been in this online for probably about 3 years and went really active on this about 9 months. No? So, bago pa lang din po. And believe me, at first, even the word blog, I really cannot understand what's a blog. No? Back in the past, when I was still an offliner, I don't know about blog. I know it's a sound that you create pag nahulog ka. Blog. Lang yun. But I never understood, ano ba yung blog? Then, I started getting interest because I've been hearing it, mag-blog ka, you do blogging. Okay, so, the good news, i-google mo, okay? You just type the word blog, B-L-O-G in Google, then you will find so many definitions about blog. Okay? So, blogging is all about what you think, no? I-publish mo yung naiisip mo. Okay? That's basically blogging. Okay? So, why do we need to blog? Okay? So, yon na ngayon. Bakit mo kailangan mag-blog? For you to establish identity. Sa offline po, yun na nga. Again, madali. Because pwede mo i-fake yan eh. You can look like you're so successful even if you are not. By buying clothes, looking good. Okay? Bumili ng mga fake. Nakita na, nakalakost ka. Uy, nakalakost bro. Successful yan. Okay? Pero doon mo lang pala nabili sa Divisoria. No? Fake naman. Pero nadala mong maigi and they believe you. And online, hindi nila nakikita yung suot mo actually. And even if magpakita ka na ganito, then, oh, ano ba itsura yan? But again, you can establish your identity online by one strategy, which is blogging. So, learn how to do a blog, no? So, marami pong mga free sites wherein you can do blogs, no? Ang ginagamit ko po, ang natutunan ko yung Blogspot, no? Type niyo lang po yun, blogspot.com, then pag-aralan lang po natin, and we will be having tutorials on how to make a blog. Tuturo ko po sa inyo yan. Okay, so what do you say in your blogs? Say anything that you can, establish your identity sa online community. Okay, it's a very big community. We're talking of billions of people who can be your viewer, no? O yung makakabasa ng vlogs mo. Okay, then they start liking you. Okay, yung sinabi ni Kiko na yun. Okay, so then they start trusting you. Parang the more that they follow your blog, no, let's say nag-blog ka about cooking, no, let's say cooking is your passion. Okay, then sabi mo, okay yung cooking style ni Kiko, I tried it, masarap nga, masundan nga. Okay, then they start following you in your blogs, no? Then, once you establish your character, your identity, then they start getting interested more about you. Parang okay itong Kiko na to, parang gusto ko siyang, ano pa kaya yung ibang ginagawa niya? Ayan. Then, they start following you. Then, dun sa blogspot mo, dun ngayon nakalagay yung iyong online business. Okay? Kung ano man yung online business na ginagawa mo, online network marketing, ano man yung binibenta mo. Then, because you have established a certain level of trust, then they will start finding out more about you and what you do. Okay? So, para sa akin po, yun po yung nakikita ko na very important. Okay, first you establish yourself. Parang ibenta mo muna yung sarili mo sa kanila. Ano bang meron tong Kiko Javier? Why will I follow this person? Why will I trust him? Ano bang meron siya? Di ba? Normal po sa ating mga tao yung WIIFM. What's in it for me? Ano mahihita ko? Ano makukuha ko if I follow this guy? Okay, yun po kailangan masagot natin online, no? So, that's why we start blogging. Okay, find any interest, no? So, paano na yan? I don't know about network marketing. I'm not really good about online. Ano iba-blog ko? Okay, dun nga po lalabas yung personal identity mo. Find an interest that you are so accustomed with, sanay ka, nakahiliga mo, magaling ka, anything, no? Yun po ang i-vlog mo. And you don't even have to be a master of it. Okay, again, in online, the online community, the online world, the more realistic you are, the more people appreciate. No, sawa na po yung tao doon sa mga sinungaling. They don't want to be affiliated with the sinungaling. Sa mga i-hype ka lang. Oh, nabili ko tong kotse na to. 1 month lang, millionaire na ako. Pero hindi totoo. Then they realize, they found out na nag-down payment ka lang pala. Sinagot pala ng company for a show. Ayaw na po. Ayaw na ng tao ng ganyan. So, the more real you are, the more transparent you are, the more people will like you. And, guys, the online community is so vast. We're talking of 2.2 billion internet users. Kung Pilipino lang ang gusto mong targetin, there are so many millions of Filipinos na nag-o-online. And kung Facebook alone, we're talking of 27 million Filipino members ng Facebook. Wow, that's 27 million pwedeng makakita ng vlogs mo. Then they start knowing about you. They start trusting you. And they start wanting to find out more about what you do. Then you start introducing to them your online business. Whatever you're doing. Okay? Find anything, an interest that you can share online. You need to share yourself. You need to, you need to open up. Pakita mo sa kanila, what's with this Kiko Javier? Why will you affiliate with me? Ano yung matutulong ni Kiko Javier in my desire, in my dreams, do sa vision and mission ko? Makakatulong ba yung Kiko? If he cannot do anything good, then what's the use? Okay, so blog about anything. Kung mahilig ka sa photography, i-vlog mo yun. Mahilig ka sa pets, animals, i-vlog mo yun. Just anything about para makilala ka ng tao. You don't even have a master of it. No? You can even title your blog, My Journey to Learning More About Cooking. Okay? So, hindi mo sinasabing magaling ka na. Actually, your blog is about you are learning about cooking. And one day, may na makakita ng vlog mo, uy, parang gusto kong tingnan to kasi gusto ko rin simulan yung cooking. Ano ba yung na-experience ni Kiko Javier as he learn about cooking? Ano ba yung mga websites na pinasok niya? Ano ba yung experiences niya? Nakailang paso ba siya? Ilang beses niya nahiwa yung sarili niya? So on and so forth. Until people starts to like you. Okay? Then you start to establish the rapport, your identity, and the trust. Okay, so once you do that, and you're successful with that, believe me, people will visit your blog spot, your website, pag-uusapan ka na. And they start sharing you. Okay, so share na lang sa Facebook, oh, look at this Kiko Javier. Grabe, nasundan ko when he was starting to learn about cooking. Then now, grabe, tinan nyo, he's posting na comments, testimonies, na sarapan na yung mga tao sa cooking niya. And ganito niya lang ginawa. Okay, then, doon sa iyong blog spot, doon sa iyong website, lalagay mo na ngayon doon. What else are you doing? Then, doon mo na ngayon pakita na you are into this pay-to-click, you are into this online MLM, or you into this selling these products online. Again, everything is online na po. Okay, so ngayon, you don't have to fake it till you make it. No, hindi na pa uso yun na kailangan naka-Rolex watch ako. Paglabas ko, kailangan, talagang kita nila, very successful ako. Wala akong utang. Okay, alam nila na napakatalino ko. Hindi na po uso yun. Okay? So, yun po yung gusto ko sabihin sa inyo ngayon. It's all about establishing your identity online. Make use of these blogs, no? Mag-blog po tayo. Magkakaroon po ako another video on how to create blogs. Based on what I know. Okay, hindi po ako yung pinakamagaling. I just started learning a few months ago. And I learned it. And I'm enjoying it. Na I'm so happy with this newfound world na na-discover ko po. The online community, no? So, crossing the bridge, I call this Exodus series, from offline to online. How do we do it? So, thank you so much po for even watching this video. I hope I was able to enlighten you about blogging, about establishing your identity online. Okay? Maraming salamat po. Kiko Javier, they call me Coach. Okay, I have a word. You don't have to be great to start. But you have to start to be great. Okay, ganun po yung ginawa ko. I don't know anything about this online. I don't know anything about this blogging. But what I did is to start for me to be great. And I'm not yet great, but I know I'm going there. Thank you so much, Kiko Javier. God bless everyone.